Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on this Navitel tablet. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now in the search enter Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open it and begin customizing the browser. So here you can sign in, change theme, pick a toolbar placement, change privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, let's click on start browsing and you can begin using that browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.